Hi boys and girls, Miss Grace here. This week in writing, we are going to be learning about opinion writing. And opinion writing is also sometimes referred to as persuasive writing. So this link here will also be on your assignments page, and it takes you here to a YouTube video called Persuasive Writing. So you can play and watch this video about persuasive writing, which is also called opinion writing. So, opinion writing. It says authors can write to share their opinions. While writing, they try to persuade you to agree with them. To persuade means that you are working to convince someone to agree with you. You may try to persuade your parents to allow you to eat ice cream before dinner. Your parents may try to persuade you to eat your vegetables, and then you can have ice cream. Writing topics. Authors could have opinions about many different topics. Here are a few examples of opinions that you could write to persuade others to agree with you. Pizza's the best food. Puppies are the cutest animals ever. Summer is the best season. So then here in these little dialogue boxes, what a cute puppy! Summer sunshine. Ah, pizza is the best. No, I like cats better. Spring is pretty. So everyone has an opinion, and when you're an author, which you are when you write, you can write to persuade others to agree with your opinion. Your writing assignment is going to be to answer this question. So to pick a side, should school be held in person or online? So this person saying online, this person saying in person. So now it's your turn to be the author. First, you'll have to pick your opinion. So you need to think of reasons for each side to help you pick your side. I'm going to share a reason for each side. So if I'm thinking, that school should be held online, I could say one of my reasons could be that there's fun, new interactive computer activities like Google Classroom and Google Slides. But if I want to argue that I think it could be in person, I could say that you could still use interactive computer activities in class and on the computers in a computer lab or in the computers in the classroom. So before you can go on, you need to think of reasons for each one so that you can pick your opinion, which one you think is the best, or which one you think should happen. Should school be held in person or online? And then the last slide here, which will be an assignment slide in Google Classroom, is where you are going to type. So it says pick one side of the chart that you agree with. Type 3 reasons why you agree with that opinion. So you're thinking of some strong reasons to support your opinion. If you choose school should be online, then you will type in these 3 boxes. So 3 different reasons. If you think school should be in person, you would type in these boxes, 3 different reasons. So I could say, I think school should be online because you get to use fun, new learning activities through the computer. So there could be an example. Now remember, this is in Google Classroom, and you need to complete it and click on the Turn In button. So click in the box, write your 3 reasons, and turn it in. I can't wait to read which one you pick, online or in person. Happy writing! Talk to you guys soon.